Hello everyone, I am in Pune, India. I'm staying at a hotel, but I'm not going to attempt to say the name. I'll put it in the description box below. I'm currently in room 425, which is a queen room with a hill view. And this is what you get. This is actually a cabinet in here. Cute little setup. Let me turn off the lights so you can see the view. Here is the restroom. It's not very big, but they kept everything super clean, which I appreciate. The shower is actually quite big. Okay, let me turn off the light so you guys can see the view. Maybe tomorrow morning I'll get some footage in the morning, but I just got in. All right. Hope you guys like it. Bye.